Hey guys, Alex here from A&R Design LLC. Got some new deliveries in today. This is a unboxing of something very special. Obviously it's from our friends at CZ. You're gonna like it, or you're also gonna be EVO, Scorpion EVO. And oh wow! All right, Bore Snake, 220 round magazines, and the Scorpion EVO Micro with the silencer barrel shroud, Manticore arms, pistol brace assembly. Sweet! And this one, thank you CZ, came with a RMR Type 2 and an Anvil Ukon co-witness mount. No, I'm just kidding, guys. We got two Scorpion Micros in today. I already took the irons off this gun. It comes with your normal Scorpion EVO irons. And I've already put on our Anvil Ukon Micro co-witness. This is a sweet gun. It's going to be a great bag gun. It is a barrel shroud. So I'll do some quick little walkthrough. So yes, it would come with the traditional irons. The push button release is up here. And then if you want to push it back in, just push down and shrink back up. And you don't actually have to push it down to release it. It's just a lock. Bang, 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 bang. Pretty nice little setup, guys. So it's just to release it to compress it. So quick throw. There is what looks like, yep. So there's a quick disconnect cup in the rear on the pistol brace trunnion. It's got a little M-lock hand stop and the Silencer Co. barrel shroud. It is marked with the Silencer Co. logo, and then the barrel nut is built in to release the shroud. I'm not going to take this part to show you how it is all internally set up. It's not a can, and I'm just going to take it for a spin. You can lock the bolt to the rear, just like any Scorpion. It's got the K front, and I mounted just in front of mounted the anvil just behind it, so I can still get access to a slap if I need to, but there's plenty of room to charge. So, awesome. Thank you so much, CZ. Guys, click like, subscribe, check us out, leave a comment. We love to hear feedback.